Hello students, welcome to online school. We are going to sing the poem of standard 5th of Maharashtra State Board and the name of the poem is Try Anti Wanti Gongoloop. So let's start. There is a very funny insect that you do not often spy, and it isn't quite a spider and it isn't quite a fly. It is something like a beetle and a little like a bee, but nothing like a woolly grub that climbs upon a tree. Its name is quite a hard one, but you will learn it soon. I hope so. Try, anti-wanty, try anti-wanty gongolop. Try anti-wanty gongolop. It lives on weeds and wattle gum and has a funny face. Its appetite is hearty and its manners are disgrace. When first you come upon it, it will give you quite a scare. But when you look for it again, you find it isn't there. And unless you call it softly, it will stay away and move. So try anti-wanty, gongolop. Try anti-wanty gongolop. It trembles if you tickle it or tread upon its toes. It is not an early riser, but it has a snobbish nose. If you sneer at it or scold it, it will scuttle off in shame. But it purrs and purrs quite proudly if you call it by its name and offer it some sandwiches of sealing wax and soap. So try anti-wanty, gongolop. Try anti-wanty, gongolop. But of course you haven't seen it, and I truthfully confess that I haven't seen it either, and I don't know its address. For there isn't such an insect, though there really might have been, if the trees and grass were purple and the sky was bottle green. It's just a little joke of mine, which you will forgive, I hope. Oh, try anti-wanty, gongolop. Try anti-wanty, gongolop. Try anti-wanty, gongolop. Try anti-wanty, gongolop. Try anti-wanty gongolop. Students, now you all repeat the poem. And if you like the poem, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get notification of further poem. Thank you.